Google just hit Pixel fans with a soft blow of wind instead of a storm, and the silence might be saying more than the update itself. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The February 2026 Pixel update is officially rolling out, but it's not that big. The new update is roughly around 20 MB and is about as small as Android updates get, with no shiny new features, no visual changes, and nothing flashy to show off. Instead, it feels like Google's clearing its throat and waiting for something bigger. After a rocky January update caused Wi-Fi and Bluetooth problems for some users, Google is back on its regular schedule. This new update, called BP4A.260205, is landing on devices like the Pixel 7a, Pixel Tablet, Pixel Fold, and the newer Pixel 8 and Pixel 10 series. It's already available and easy to grab through the system update menu. So what's actually in it? Honestly, not much. Its main job is to fix high-severity security patch for a VPU driver. Important? Yes. But exciting? Not really. And that's the point. All signs suggest Google is saving the real upgrades for next month's Android 16 QBR3 release, which is expected to bring much awaited features like hiding the at-a-glance widget and adjusting flashlight brightness. But here's where things get interesting. This February update is completely missing for the Pixel 6, 6 Pro, 7, and 7 Pro. Google said those phones will remain security compliant, but stop promising monthly updates. Users noticed that these older Pixels have quietly shifted to a quarterly or just risk-based update schedule. No big announcement, no warning, just fewer updates. It's like Google's way of telling that monthly updates may be over for older Pixels. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.